I think I messed up by not starting my cybersecurity journey sooner. But today, we'll get you on the right track in no time. In today's digital world, cybersecurity isn't optional. Whether you're diving into a cybersecurity career or just want to stay safe online, here's your quick guide to building a strong cybersecurity foundation. First, understand the basics. Cybersecurity is all about protecting systems, networks, and data from threats. Key concepts like the CIA triad, confidentiality, integrity, and availability, along with encryption, firewalls, and malware, are your starting points. Check out beginner-friendly videos and free courses on platforms like Coursera or Udemy. Next, develop a security-first mindset. Your actions matter. Create strong, unique passwords, watch out for phishing attempts, and keep your software updated. Pro tip: enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, whenever possible. Now on to technical skills. Dive into networking with protocols like TCP, IP, and DNS, master operating systems like Windows and Linux, and learn programming languages like Python. Set up a home lab and explore platforms like TryHackMe and HackTheBox for hands-on practice. Tools are your best friends. Get familiar with Wireshark for network monitoring, Nessus for vulnerability scanning, and antivirus software for endpoint protection. Practice ethically and legally. Understanding cyber laws and ethics is crucial. Learn about the Computer Fraud and Abuse Act, CFAA and GDPR, and always get proper authorization before testing systems. Choose your specialization: penetration testing, network security, or governance, risk, and compliance. Certifications like OSCP, CompTIA Security Plus, or CISA can guide your pathway. Stay updated by following cybersecurity news, joining online communities, and attending webinars. Bonus tip: participate in Capture the Flag (CTF) competitions to sharpen your skills. Finally, build a strong portfolio. Showcase your projects on a personal website or GitHub, and share your journey on blogs or LinkedIn. Building a strong cybersecurity foundation takes time, but the rewards are immense. Start small, stay curious, and grow steadily. Are you ready to secure your digital future?